welcome back to NEN FAM. We are in full Christmas swing over here at the NEN house. I mean like fully Christmas, like everything's Christmas. So to keep that Christmas spirit going, I've decided that we're gonna give back to a few of our friends today and do some doorbell gifting. Now, if you don't know what doorbell gifting is, myself, I came up with the idea a few NEN FAM videos back of us sneaking out, and we decided to, go to the gas station, get some gifts, and drop them off at random people's houses. So I decided today that we're gonna do that, but just Christmas style. I'm gonna go inside, set up all of the stuff that we've got, and gather everyone so we can start making some gifts. I'm gonna lay everything out, kind of like how my mom does for our lunch videos, so the kids can just come and grab and take the things that they need and start wrapping their gifts. Holy cow, you guys. This is not even all of the stuff yet. This is just halfway done, and there's so much more to still do, so let's keep going.
It never ends!
We are finally done with setting up everything. There is so many things for the kids to choose from. I mean, like everything you could ever want in a stocking is literally right here. So, let me take you on a little tour of what we got going on. So we got, of course, some hair clips because those are an essential need. World's smallest little drawing kit, Sour Patch Kids. We got brushes, we got body scrub, hand mask, face mask, even got little Nutella, tahini, salt, chapstick, cranberry fizz, of course, because that's only fitting for Christmas. Then we have some lip masks, some more lip glosses, all of the varieties. We even have mini powder things. You put these on your finger and you pat your skin. It's so beautiful. Then we got some Vaseline, a mini disposable camera, e.l.f. primer, chocolates, some beauty blenders, Babe Lash, a makeup brush kit with a mirror. We got scrunchies. We have face massager things. I don't really know what these are called, but all I know is it's good for your skin type of thing.
Gotcha.
Then we got some mirrors. We have some hot chocolate bombs, some reindeer chocolate mint.
Okay.
Then we have some Nerds rope, the Christmas ones though, because again, it's Christmas.
Of course.
Then we have some mini Tic Tacs. We have hand sanitizer, brushes, some normal nerd clusters. This is a silk pillowcase. Now guys, this is the best pillowcase you could ever sleep with. Everyone will tell you to get a silk pillowcase. It's really good for your hair and for your skin. So of course we had to give our friends some of those. We have some socks. We even have some fake nails, some more socks, more lip gloss, bows, bracelets, chapstick, headbands to wear when you're washing your hair. We even have some skincare headbands. All right, now if you've seen in our car videos how we have little rubber gel that goes in between the crevices of your car to get the little dirt stuff that you can't get. So these are one of those, super, super nice to have. Then we have some more hot chocolate mix. Those are adorable. Then we got some dry shampoos, some Sol de Janeiro, body wash. Come around back because there's even more.
There's more?
And now we're in the back. So we got some makeup bags. We have more face things. We even got jewelry with bracelets, earrings, necklaces, you name it. Some more earrings, more makeup bags because your girls need some makeup bags. And of course, some more chocolate and bath bombs. So basically the plan is I'm gonna call down the kids. They're gonna make their things, do all that good stuff. But before we do that, I need to do the finishing touches of decorating, and then we'll get to making the presents.
Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter
stuff. We're all full. Christmas festives all on this counter. So now it is time to gather the kids. Before we start putting all these gifts together, I had to throw in some of our period kits because as you know, these come in really good handy when you need them, you know? And as you guys know, in this video right here, we've made our own period kits and it's filled with all the goodies that you're needing, like when you're just on that time, you know? So we got all of it stocked, ready to use whenever you need it. And if you guys are looking for last minute Christmas gifts, you can also get one of our cute backpacks or our teen emergency kits. Our backpacks are only released once a year, so you best be hurrying and getting them before they're gone. I've got all the kids here. Are you guys ready to see what we have planned for today?
Yes!
All right, on three, open your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
So like all of it is not mine.
So, as you can see, we have a lot of little gifts on this table. Do you guys want to know what this is for?
Yes.
So, as you know, it's Christmas time. We're getting presents, all that stuff. We're gonna make some gifts for our friends and go doorbell gifting.
Okay. Oh, that's good.
So everyone can choose from like 3 to 5 friends.
Hey, I'm doing Brooks.
Oh.
Do you think a boy wants this?
He's got a point.
Press on nails. Do you think he wants press on nails?
You never know.
What?
He will maybe want some candy.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Anyways, as I was saying, you can each choose 3 to 5 friends to make like little gifts for, and then we're gonna go doorbell gift them.
Perfect.
All right. Who wants to go first?
Me. I already called what I'm doing.
I already called what I'm doing. Can I go first?
Do youngest.
Luke and Elsie.
Yeah, you would.
All right. I have 2 buckets. Well, 10, whatever they're called. You guys are gonna fill up all of these with like all the goodies on the table, and then we're gonna go over to the wrapping station and wrap it.
Good thing I only have one friend to get one.
Oh, okay.
You know, I'll do whatever I see Elsie do, cause that's what they'll
This
like.
Sol de Janeiro and perfume's really good. This is good perfume.
Oh, it is? Okay, good to know. We'll get some chocolate in there.
Okay, so I probably like also like lots of preppy stuff. Like you know.
We'll do some Vaseline. We'll get a little hairbrush.
This is good. We're gonna go with one of these.
Foaming gel wash. Little Octo Buddy.
Let's just do 2 body washes, 2 of these. I think I'm doing 3 friends.
I don't really know what any of this stuff is, guys, so.
You and me both.
Okay, I think I'm good, because I don't want to steal everything from everyone. Oh, wait, there's a whole back part? Who wouldn't love some chocolate? I mean, I would love some chocolate. And then a bag and that's it. I think this person will be very spoiled.
Lily, come on, we're ready.
It's the exact same thing that I was gonna say. Lily, where are you?
Where are you?
We're ready to wrap our present.
All right. I've heard my names enough times. Now that you guys have all your stuff ready, it is time to go over to the gift wrapping station and wrap it.
All right, let's
Okay,
go.
let's go.
It's up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until you looked my way. I used to be blue.
All right, so over here we got some tape, some ribbon, some cellophane paper.
Oh, nope. It's not that.
Cellophane, I got you.
Boom! Drop the mic.
And depending on how big like your present is, there's some big ones and then there's also some small ones.
Nice.
And then we have some tissue paper and you basically just, you know, put your gifts in here, put some tissue paper, tie it up, the ribbon, tape, all that kind of stuff.
So basically what we did for the boo basket.
Yeah, I'll leave you to it.
Hey. All right, we're just putting all this stuff in here. Okay, that. Let's see. We'll put this in there. We'll zip that up.
All right, next I have Presley and Delaney. You guys are gonna take these and you're gonna fill it with all the goodies that you're gonna wrap for your friends. All right, so, do that.
We're gonna get the big stuff. We're gonna put it in the back. So then the little stuff can go in front.
All for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes. Open fire from the light till the mistletoe.
Got some Sour Patch ornaments. So they're shaped like ornaments, I guess.
Yeah, sounds about right.
You know, it doesn't look that great, but it's okay.
Honestly, they're gonna love anything I give them. Like Come on now.
Really?
Yes.
Will you come help me like with this?
To be honest, I'm not the best like gift wrapper, but I can help. So let's just like.
On the side.
Perfect. I'm done. Let's go. Let's get back. Aha.
Do it like this, Elsie.
Yep.
All right. Put some wrapping paper in it and close it.
Let's make a present for us.
And we'll just throw a period kit in for my
Oh, me too. And I didn't even get blue for my phone. Oh, and we got Delaney. Delaney over this side though, because we got him.
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm gonna get a period kit for my friend just so I can put like her stuff and stuff in it. But for like school, like her emergency stuff.
First one's down. Now, let's start on the other two.
Let's go outside and tickle a snowman's nose and make angels in the
Alright, so the reason why I kind of picked like the Genius stuff is because she like likes many things, and you know, like maybe if we hang out, we could just like play with it. You never know.
My friend's gonna love all of this.
we will be all
Got one of our amazing period kits because I know this will come in handy, and I use mine like all the time. So this will come in really handy.
I'm gonna snatch this so another kid can go.
I'm having a hard time deciding because I'm looking around and there's not a lot of guy stuff here.
You don't say.
So I was gonna do a guy, but I think now I'm gonna do a girl. So I'll just do one of my
Hey,
friends.
also fun fact about Paisley. She got braces.
I don't like this. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Anyways, it's all good.
Anyways,
Better
let's
too.
get packing. Tell us what you're gonna pack here.
Okay, so I'm not sure. I'll just pack whatever I think. So first, I was looking at this. I think it's a digital camera, like a camera thing.
Right. Well done. Disposable cameras are fun, although it does seem wasteful and you don't ever get to see your pictures.
So that will be cute. And then maybe like this. Maybe she'll like
How many
this.
ones are you making this for? Like, how many people are you gonna do?
I'll just do one.
Yeah, maybe
We'll
two.
see.
Maybe two. There's
Okay.
a lot of good stuff and a lot of
My
friends to get
friend
to.
has like no makeup brushes, so I think this will be good for her. And
That'll be nice. And it like has like a little
Yes,
mirror.
that she can put in her. Oh shoot! She'll honestly like. I think she'll like a puppy.
Those poppies are
Luke
the
loves them,
best
so
thing
like
ever.
maybe she'll like them too. We got your 2 done. I was supposed to get 3 done, and I used all my stuff. So let's go back to the counter. We'll do some snowman too,
Maybe a little jokes.
and then a hairbrush because like perfect. Like this is like these are that you can put in her backpack and like while we're hanging out and stuff.
What are you doing here?
I came back for more. I used all my stuff on the 2, so I came back for more. You know, being a little.
Yeah! Who's up for round 2?
All right, moving on.
And then another skincare. I'll do a skincare headband, so I don't know which color. What color?
Ooh, there's a lot of. I think that blue's cute.
So, yes, I think I'm gonna pack them on these. But I do have a birthday party to go to today, and so I think I'm gonna give one of my friends like this as her birthday present. I feel like that would be fun. First, I have a gua sha, a little chocolate.
Green's cute.
Green, okay.
Green.
And then
Very dewy warm. We'll do like these like pink ones.
Okay.
And then, hey, I always use hand
Those are the best kind of hand sanitizers too, because they also smell amazing.
And
okay, then we have some cute little socks. Okay, guys, I just really finished. Presley, do you think this is cute? Yeah, that's so cute. Okay, then I'm gonna get. Okay, guys, now I'm done. Now on to the next person.
oh wait, what are these?
Those are like little hot cocoa mixes.
That's so cute. What are you doing?
We'll do coconut
Me and a little.
I think I'll give her this lip gloss. It's cute. And then I got her a babe lash because it's always nice to have longer eyelashes.
I'm just doing enough for like 2 people. What are you doing? Pressing it, sis.
Oh,
Okay.
a claw clip is a must. You want to give her some mini salt or talking or Nutella?
I'll do salt and Nutella. I'll do all 3.
Oh, it's so cute.
And then we'll do,
We have like a lip mask, hair mask,
we'll do lip mask.
even look at how fun these are. We have like little mini games. We have chocolates. We have earrings.
Maybe I'll do for both of the people I'm doing it for.
Okay. Oh. Didn't see that.
All right, show's over. Nothing to see here.
Julie, which face mask? This one. Okay. I'll give her the pink one. And then, oh, these are kind of fun.
We'll do those two. Okay, then we're gonna come over here.
I'll also give her a little bit extra more stuff because it's her birthday. Oh, and then I'm just gonna give her the digital camera, but I'll put that inside the clear bag. Those are kind
They're
of fun.
mini games. So you have mini Uno, Jenga, or like a drawing one.
Oh, maybe I'll do some of these. Cause these are like cute.
Okay, they're mini bath bombs.
Mini bath bombs. Should I do some of these?
Yeah.
They'll love those.
Yes.
So maybe I'll do a blue one.
Our period kits, yes, those all come in handy.
I'm gonna put in a little makeup bag / bag with a bunch of goodies.
Jewelry maybe?
I wanna go to Russia.
We have Elsie over here in her ear telling her what to do.
I'm already done.
Maybe I should do a guasha.
What is that called?
Guasha. Guasha.
Perfect for Charlie.
We'll do blue. And then maybe like a bracelet.
Ooh, okay.
We'll do this.
Some bracelets.
And then maybe just for like the fun one, we'll do this. And that's everything that I'm gonna do for my team.
All right, go to the gift wrapping station and start wrapping.
Perfect. What is this?
What do you mean?
It's mini Nutella.
It literally you eat this.
Yeah.
It could have been like chopstick though, like you know, like those mini like chopsticks.
Yeah.
And these are real too.
Yeah, those are all real.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll
Okay, this is really cute.
Time to wait for the others.
Now I'm gonna make my second one.
We're done.
Really cute.
Now it's time to wait for the others and then deliver them.
My second one.
Now my turn.
Hey, Sadie. Oh my Riz, you got knee surgery tomorrow, bro. Chill.
Okay. Yeah, the chocolate, yeah.
Did you get my good side?
Well, I'm excited for this because I'm doing 2 people. So this is gonna be super fun. I got a lot of fun stuff to do. So this is gonna be really fun. I'm just gonna take everything out, lay it down. So we have. So I've decided I'm only gonna do Claire and Elise. Elise is her little sister. She actually just broke her foot. So I thought it would be nice to give her some.
Wow.
So we're gonna do Elise's favorite color, purple, and Claire loves the color blue. So we're gonna do blue. So one of these, and then Claire doesn't really use that. She loves her Vaseline. Though.
Claire loves Vaseline.
Oh, she loves it. I want them to be able to see what that I got them. So that's what we're gonna kind of more go for. And then Elise loves her scrunchie, so I think we're gonna get 2 of these. And then a sock. Oh, she can't really use socks right now.
Wow, that was mean.
So we're gonna do this one like the main one. So we're gonna do a digital camera in it, lip gloss. This one actually looks so good, like a dupe of the Tarte one. So we're gonna do that,
And then also a Soleil Janeiro.
oh, made a little mess. Claire needs
We
a ton
also
of
have
lip gloss.
lots of lip glosses, everything. We even have mini salts, tahini, Nutella.
Yeah, we're gonna need a lot of skincare. Claire needs these for her boyfriend. We need 2 of these for her. Oh, lip gloss, we gotta get 1 of each. We gotta have like 1 of these.
I'm gonna put our little makeup bag with all of our goodies in it.
Okay, that's. I feel like that's good enough for the first one, maybe.
And then I might as well give them a period kit because I'm in the grade where like you might end up starting. I don't know. So this will be really handy dandy.
It comes in handy.
We need this, we need chapstick in here.
Sadie's doing all the good stuff.
We need,
There's also the back side of the table too.
there's a backside.
Yeah.
Oh, we're just gonna do that, and then we're gonna plop that in here. We're gonna leave that out actually.
Oh, come on!
But I feel like that's honestly like a fire gift. I don't think, maybe you should go get 1 more of these. We're gonna get a hot chocolate mix.
Cute. Look how cute these hairbrushes are too. We even have primer. We have mascara, Babe Lash mascara.
If she can reach. Okay. Crap. Wait, I need those. Okay.
You even have like nerds and stuff. Like, oh come on, you gotta add some goodies. Yeah, goodies.
A little makeup.
Hey, maybe since Elise can't really walk that well, you can do like some of these, you know, like some mini games.
We're gonna get her Uno. No, Claire loves Uno.
Claire loves Uno.
She loves it. Bath bombs, of course.
Oh, you can have chocolates.
We're gonna need all these. All these right here. We're gonna stock this up, guys.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's the first one. Now it's time for the second one.
We got it. And now I'm going to trim a couple of these. That's good.
My gosh. Okay. I think we're gonna get this one for Elise. And Claire would look so cute in this. We're gonna get this for Claire.
Holy, she's doing all the good stuff.
Oh, this one looks so demure.
Very demure. Very mindful. You don't just throw it in. I am very cutesy.
We're gonna give that to Claire. We're gonna give this one to me.
Well, you can't do that. Is that allowed?
You know we got a match.
I'm gonna let that slide.
You are so lucky.
Okay, guys, so I'm really excited to give my friend this period kit because I love my period kit. So we're just gonna stuff it with like the back a little bit, and then we're just gonna like throw everything else in there, and she can do it herself how she likes it. So we'll put in this and the gua sha.
That will be cute, and this will be cute as well. So these are my two little bird baskets / kind of birthday gifts. So yeah,
Perfect. Nutella, tahini, and then little snacks and 2 bath bombs. And now we gotta get a cute little goodie bag for them. I'm gonna give Claire this one and Elise this one.
Cute.
Very cute. Oh, they gotta smell this.
Oh, yes.
We got it.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
perfect. We're slaying the day away. Okay. I think we got everything.
All right, time to go to the gift wrapping station.
I love these because I feel like they'll hydrate your skin really good. And who doesn't want hydrated skin? So we're gonna do these two. And then one more thing.
All right, my turn, guys.
So as you know, I'm giving this to Claire and her little sister. And so I got a lot of things. So I gotta decide on how I'm gonna pack this up.
Excuse me, I need one for Claire's little sister. Double the gift.
I like that.
I guess we'll give it to her mom.
Yes,
Stacey would love it because I'm so kind.
How thoughtful.
Guys, I'm the last person to go, and now time to fill this up.
Who are you gonna make it for? How many people?
Oh, I'm gonna make it for like maybe 2 people.
2 people? All right, let's see what you choose.
Okay, get out of my shot. My time for edit.
There's a lot of variety. So,
All right, we're gonna do some of these eye patches.
ooh, she's ready. She's hooking them good. You want any mini tahini, salt, or Nutella?
No. We'll do, body scrub. Body scrub.
We even have like clips, like very cute. There's like pink, all of those colors.
So
cute.
And maybe just a couple of these.
Okay.
I don't really know what these are, but
Like hand mask, face mask.
perfect. I think I'm gonna start with like putting stuff in bags. So this big one, we're gonna put Claire's stuff in here. So should I make it like all cute? Put some stuff in here and then put it in like a plastic bag and put stuff around it. A mini hairbrush for both of them. Very cuppy. What else?
There's Poppy. Those are really good.
Oh, what is this?
Those are Babe Lash mascaras.
Oh, I'll put one of those in there.
Yeah.
Maybe some.
Those poppies are actually so good.
And some e.l.f. primer.
Okay.
And since I'm the last person, I can just take everything. So this is perfect.
Perks of being the last person.
All right, and then maybe some of these.
Those are the best.
Has anyone even took these?
No, I don't think anyone has.
I'm gonna put these in here. Little lipsticks. And then we gotta put the lip mask in here. For one of them, we'll do a camera.
Okay.
This is really cute.
Camera.
And
What are you doing?
time to steal more stuff. Maybe some chocolates. I don't know. I think this is enough.
For both of them?
Yeah, I think. What are these?
Those are like mini, like powder, you know? They're really cute. They're really cute.
Okay, I went back and I got all this stuff, and this is what we're gonna add because I feel like we didn't have enough, and the other one was way better. So this one's gonna be even better now. So we have this mascara, her another chapstick, all her earrings, and we have Soleil Janeiro perfume. We have some socks, and then we gotta add. I think we'll add candy to the actual bag itself but I think this is what I'm gonna like stock it with, so you can just see like the little bits of it coming out. And then I'm gonna put it on the other side. So I gotta do that to the other one, and then I can put them all together.
Okay, and then I just grabbed a bunch of chocolates. And then that's it for this. I think it actually turned out super cute. All right, I think that's good.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right, time to go to the gift wrapping station.
All done? Now I'm so excited to give these to my friends.
Okay, and then I'm adding more to the other one. This one's a little bit smaller, so we're trying to work it as best as we can. There's more than that. This in here. There. Scrunchies.
Wait till this card goes.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, ready? 3. Wait, you get it? Go. 3, 2, 1. Go.
All right, guys, so there's actually a lot more stuff left over than I was thinking. So since I did all of the hard work of prepping and doing all that, I'm gonna actually make one for one of my friends as well. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a lip mask, a few of them since we have so many,
And put the bath bombs in on the side. And, salt. And then we gotta put this one in the other one, this one for here. And then, now it's time to put them in the clear one. This is what we're gonna do. Cutesy. And then I'm gonna like, I don't really know how to do this. This is like my mom's specialty. She knows how to do. I think that looks cute, right?
and then we're gonna do some of these.
Perfect. This one's done, now for the next one.
Maybe one of these, maybe like an ollie pop.
For this one, I need to do more colorful, so I think I'm gonna do the striped pink one. It looks so cute.
Let's do maybe like a green, like we're trying to keep up with like the holiday theme.
This time I'm actually gonna start with the candy at the bottom, set it at the top.
Then we'll do some mini Tic Tacs, just blue, because it's so cute.
Then we're gonna put Vaseline right here.
Then we'll do some Nerds gummy clusters.
That was beautiful.
And these, of course, because these are a lifesaver. And then maybe like some socks or something would be cute.
Perfect. Yes, queen. I love it. And now it is time to go drop it off.
We got our bags. I don't really know how I'm gonna work with these, but I have an idea for this one.
One of these, of course. Then one of these, because another awesome thing to put in your cart.
I just grabbed a bunch of stuff, so we're just gonna add it all to it.
And,
Add like the little things like that. Some lip gloss.
maybe a skincare headband. We'll do a white one. And I think that's it. And now it's time to go wrap.
And another lip balm.
All right, my turn.
I'm not done.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Wow.
All right, and then last thing, a hand sanitizer. I didn't realize that I was like putting it all in here. So we're gonna get our little bag and just like kind of see what it will look like. All right. Now the bag can go in. All right, it works. It looks, you know, they'll just appreciate the gift. Now, time for our second person. So first we're gonna put in our poppies, then our tree hut, and then we're just gonna add our bath bomb, lip gloss, some Nerd Rope, a lip butter balm, a clip, and some hand sanitizer, our dry shampoo, wrist things to wash your face with, and some chocolate that we're just gonna, you know, just throw in there, our brush, and last but not least, our cute little coquette bag. Now we have our gifts ready.
All right. Last but not least, it's actually me, not Navy. And it's time to make this little gift that we got going on. So, I've been watching all the kids and, wait, that's too big. I think you need like this kind. Wait, are they the same size?
Actually, yeah.
Told ya.
Anyways, moving on. We got, wait, how does this work? Alright, silly me, just don't know how to do any of this. So, I've been watching the kids and you gotta put the wrapping paper in first. But I wanna make it a little festive. So we're gonna use some of this cute one. We're gonna do this, these little polka dots. You just gotta like kind of stuff it in the bottom. And then we're gonna add all of our cute stuff. We got some body wash, Olipop, socks, Octo Buddy. And we got our Nerd Gummy Clusters, mini Tic Tacs, our lip gloss, and last but not least, our lip mask and pore tightening tea tree mask. Now for some ribbon, I think I'm gonna do red to match the polka dots in there. And just like that, we are done. And now I think it's time for us to go and deliver these. All right, we all have our baskets, and now it's time to go do some doorbell gifting.
Wait, who's going to whose car?
Oh yeah. Oh, good question. Luke and Delaney will come with me, and
I'll take Presley and Elsie because they're going over the same area.
okay, and then Navy and Paisley.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Wait, Lily. I don't even need to go anywhere.
Why?
My person's right there.
What do you mean?
There you go, Sally. You want to come with us?
Yes.
I'll give it.
All right, well, we still have mine and Delaney's drop off, so let's go.
Christmas lights are all around.
All right, guys, we're gonna drop off my presents first, so let's go.
It's like they spell your name. It's insane.
All right, guys, I'm filming Delaney. Let's go bring it to her friends. We're at their house.
So I just like
Just ready?
3, 2.
Go, 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 go.
Delaney dropped off 2 presents there because 2 of her friends are there, so that's
Oh shoot, someone came to the door.
Oh, shoot, go.
Go, drive away.
All right, guys, me and Paisley are in the car. We're about to bring our gifts. Paisley, who are you giving yours to?
I'm gonna give mine because I was saying Brooks, but Brooks has a little sister, and I did girl stuff, so I'll do Brooks' little sister.
Brooks' little sister. I'm gonna do Emmeline, and we don't know our other 2 people, but we're gonna figure it out.
All right, Elsie is going to drop off her first one.
My friend's name is Kendall.
So we're gonna drop it off to her. I don't know, are we gonna run through the rocks? Okay, ready? 3, 2. Go. Oh my gosh. This is gonna work. Guys, go.
All right, we made
Third
it
house.
to her third house. All right, let's go give it to her. Let's see if she likes it. She probably will, right? If it doesn't look as shiny as yours.
You got it.
Run, go.
All right, now it's time for my turn.
All right, guys, we just got to Emmeline's house. I'm really excited to give her this gift. I think it's like really cute and just really fun to just give your friends like gifts and stuff. What do you think? Yeah. So we're gonna give one to Emmeline, and since Brooks lives really close to Emmeline, we're gonna give Brooks' little sister her gift too. All right, guys, we're about to go drop this off. We're supposed to doorbell, so we have to like run. Okay, ready? Wait, I'll do it. No, it's me. Okay, I'll pull it. 3? No, I got it. Okay. Wait till this car goes. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? 3. Wait, you get it? Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
While we're on the way to go and drop off my little gift, we're gonna have a dance party.
We the top 10, UGK the major, Wayne I play it, it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock hit. Hands on roll, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? And he's taking over and we got the whole shop, yeah. Her, she wanna know me better, but I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy, you see I'm in the top, yeah, it's top 10.
All right, Paisley's is bringing one to Brooks' little sister. You ready? Okay.
Okay, guys, she's doing it. Just said it? No, knock. You didn't even ring it. Go. Knock.
All right, Brooks' little sister came out.
Hello.
Paisley gave you that gift.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so we're going to Price House. We picked up some people.
Brooks.
Yeah, we're giving them a ride, but we're gonna go to Price's house and we're gonna drop off it to one of his sisters.
All right, we're just gonna, I think what we're gonna do is maybe we'll put them like this. Like, put them all in the center though. And put like over there. And then put it right there. Okay, perfect. Now knock on the door. We gotta go.
Okay guys, change of plans. We are not taking it to Price's little sister. We're actually gonna bring it to my friend Eden because she was really close. Yeah, we missed the turn and Eden lives over here, so.
Guys, nobody came to the door because I forgot they weren't home. So like, we're just playing in the leaves now. But we're all done. We dropped off everything, so now we gotta play in the leaves. Ready? Oh, so aesthetic.
Okay, Navy. All right, guys. We're about to bring this to Eden's house. I hope she loves it. She actually doesn't even know I'm coming, which is good because it's doorbell ditching. But, okay, ready? Just knock like a lot. Wait, ready? No, ready? I'll do it with you. I'll do it. No, you just want to be filming. Okay, ready? Go. Go.
Guys, we're going to do Lily's first sit. Let's go. Died with my eyes. Speed away. Okay.
All right, guys, we're at Carly's house, and she's bringing her cute little gift to Carly. Very demure. Very cutesy, very demure. She's very peppy. Ready? Okay. Very cute. Okay. Yep, go. Okay, that's enough.
Guys, we are done delivering all of our gifts. Was that so much fun?
Yes.
Lou? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.
Santa Claus